Where is it, Albert?
Let's have some fun! Hello guys, welcome to my adventure. A-L-B-E-R-T. Albert, let's have some fun! Let's go! Which one we get? Black car!
It's not here.
They go. I can't find them. Where did it go?
Where is it, Albert? Where is the Hot Wheels? Where can it be?
No, we are not more. Okay, how can I go?
Okay, 3 more to go, Albert.
Let's go and find them.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go. Run! The Volkswagen. Yeah.
Where is it, Albert? Somewhere around here.
Okay, let's put it there. I don't know where it is.
You must be somewhere around here. What?
Porsche!
Wow!
Wow.
Wow, very nice, Albert. How many you got?
1, 2, 4, 5.
1, 2, 4, 5? You're missing something, Albert.
I say it around. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Huh? You silly.
Okay, let me try again.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Let's open it. Super Volkswagen! Blue Volkswagen! Green Twin Mill! Another. Black dog! Okay, we hit this Okay, let's get the playset.
Remember, this is the FedEx from the previous episode, Albert.
Yes. And how about ambulance station?
Yeah.
Bye, let us subscribe.